Hello.
Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. I'm going to do a quick video of an install of the blinker and shift mod that I got. Um, Purple on 3, one of my good friends that also rides a Spyder. Her video is a lot more detailed than mine, but if you like these modifications for yourself, just email Dave, hey, good name, at spiderbuttons@gmail.com. And he'll get back in touch with you and give you all the particulars on how to get these for your very own. And for transparency, I went ahead and purchased these myself, so you're going to get an honest and frank review on there because I don't have any sponsors. Wait, do I have any sponsors? Yep, crickets. No, I don't. So anything that I get and do a review on, I purchase these items, except for that Kimimoto key holder that I got, and I gave you an honest review on that. So, but to see Purple on Three's video on this particular install as well, I'll put a link in the description, or I'll put a card right there, and that'll link you directly to her video. So let's get to it in a minute after these commercial messages. I don't have any commercials, but I'm gonna give these an honest try. I'm going to go meet Trimark MC for lunch today. And in the last video, you noticed that Miss Sally Ann was overheating a little bit, so I pulled it down here in the flat part of the driveway, and it was low on antifreeze, so I put some quite a bit of antifreeze in there. Actually, I used turkey baster and just stuck it down in the antifreeze thing, and it's already pre-mixed. So we'll give that a little test run, see if she gives me a high temperature warning, which I really doubt that she will. So come on, I jabber too much. Let's get on with the video. All right, we're gonna prep for the thumb shifter. This is my alcohol pad. Make sure it's nice and clean when that dries. In the meantime, I'm going to install the turn signal button right there. If I can get it out of the package, the old ripper, I guess. There we go. And it has a set of instructions here. Okay. So we use a flathead screwdriver. Gently pry a little from the top and then the bottom. Repeat process until your button pops off. Okay. We can do that. Go for the blinker here. Whoop. Oop. And there's the old button. Compared to the new button. Let's see if I got it in. There we go. Got it right there. So That feels a lot better than this small one already. Not even on the road yet. So now, that should be dry. Take off the 3M adhesive. So we'll just line it up. My eyes aren't as good as they used to be. So we'll hold that on there. Most adhesive, 3M's adhesive like this, you press and hold pressure on it for around 30 to 45 seconds, and then it should be good to go. I'm not sure exactly how long it's been. I'd say 10 seconds. So we'll hold the pressure on there. Do 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 do. Wow wow. I'm not gonna put y'all through that. So that should do it. So I think it looks pretty good. So we're gonna give it a test run. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna meet my buddy Trimark MC at Burger King and see if this thing's still running hot, which I don't think it is, but we'll find out. So it'll be a little bit before we go out there, but to you, it'll be instantaneous. So stay tuned. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're heading out for our test ride of the modifications for the shifter and the blinker. And I can feel it already, it's bigger, and you can put your thumb on it a lot better than that little pointy thing. And the shifter is closer up, so you don't have to twist your wrist to bring it down. That's going to be a lot better when I run the CB and everything on the Goldwing rides, because my thumb is the press the talk button's usually up here, so that'll be a lot better. Still showing nominal temperature, as they say in the scientific realm of the world. Yeah, okay. All conditions nominal. Yeah, go figure. We've got some utility work ahead. How y'all doing? Oh, that's looks like gas lines, maybe. I don't know. I do not know. I'm sorry. That just reeks me as funny. I mean, back in my day, we had the, pretty good rumble mufflers and cherry bombs and stuff like that for our exhaust system, but those resonators, man, that just strikes me as funny. I'm sorry if anybody out there has resonators on their car or not, but gotta admit that I'm old school and it just sounds funny. Oh, goodness. It does. It just does. I don't know what else to say. I forgot to put my ambient temperature gauge on my 12-volt adapter receptacle. I'm a tad early, so I think I'll do that now. Oh, and you can feel a lot of difference too. In that. Ah, dadgummit. I have to take my gloves off to reach down in my glove box to get my ambient temperature gauge. You won't see it on the video because it's LED, and all it does is just flash. And it's showing 73 degrees ambient temperature. Charging voltage is 14.3. Looks like it's going down some because it's been in the thing there. Well, yeah. Down to 70. I just got my mesh jacket on and a hoodie. Feel comfortable. No need for heated grips or seat right now. I just cannot believe that I left the windscreen down and that Insta360 was just bowing because of all the wind resistance on it. I felt like a doofus. Like I pointed out in the video, don't! Oh yeah, I like that a lot better. A lot better, and I like the shifter too because it's further up. Like I said before, you don't have to twist your wrist down some. It's right there at it, at a relaxed position. I highly recommend this, even though I've just gone, you know, what, 12, 13 feet. I think this is going to work out well. I think that's going to be a very good investment. A very inexpensive but practical investment. Still, the operating temperature is nominal. Well, I hope you guys and gals are enjoying that color rides I've been putting out there, and the little banter I've had with Trimark MC Mr. Bolick. Like I said in the video, we've been friends for over 30 years, and through thick and thin, thin or flush, we've been there. Oh, you made it. I did not. He's a real good friend, and I'm so thankful to have him as a friend for this long a time. He was there at the BS days. When I say BS, I say before Sharon. And we've seen our children grow up and get married and have their own children. That's lifelong friends there. Operating temperature is still nominal. Showing 72 degrees on the ambient temperature gauge. The ATG, yeah, the ambient temperature gauge. That's what I'll start calling it, the ambient temperature gauge, the ATG. Make sure you see me, I was right in your blind spot. Oh yeah, a lot better on the blinker switch. I needed to get in this lane, but I really didn't want to get behind this trash truck. But that's how it goes, babe. And Smyrna's Christmas parade will be December 8th. Me and my daughter Ashton, which I affectionately call Pooter all of her life, will be riding in said parade because I bought $3,212 worth of candy, so we're gonna go there anyway. Nope, I got the candy that was on sale. Thou shalt not. Kids don't care if it's got a pumpkin on it or a witch's hat. All everyone wants the candy. It's like the old saying, you can't judge a book by its cover. Well, you can't judge a candy by the wrapper. Oh, good. Still within operational parameters. There have been a lot of Burger King commercials on television lately, and I haven't had a Burger King hamburger in forever, so he wanted to go meet for lunch, so I decided to try to go over here to Burger King. Let's see, I should, no, okay, I can turn here. Ugh. Oh yeah, a lot better. Lot better. Well, that's about the end of my review. I think it's great. I think they're great. Minimal effort to install. Fairly inexpensive. Very nice. Very nice. And the operating temperature is nominal. Right in the center. So, that'll be it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you stuck around to the end here. Hopefully, Mr. Trimark MC, Mr. Bolick, will be here momentarily. So, that's it. That's all I got. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee at Burger King, home of the Whopper. It's a Whopper. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Thank you for your time and attention.